Hey, what's going on, guys? Austin with Gone in 60 Detailing. Today, I want to share with you guys a tire conditioner that is going to last you a long time. This bottle you're going to buy and you're not going to have to replace it for a long time. A little bit goes a long ways. Let me talk to you a little bit about tire dressings, tire coatings, all of the different things related to tires, how long you can expect from different products, different things. Let's jump into it, but I want to highlight a product today that I'm kind of blown away by that honestly is going to last you a long time if you decide to purchase it. Now, it's really important to pay attention, guys, that anytime you're applying any type of tire dressing, anything related to your tire, if those tires are not clean, that product is not going to last very long on there. So it's extremely, extremely important. All of you Dawn lovers, whatever you guys use to clean your tires with, you got to make sure these tires are extremely clean before you're applying a tire dressing or conditioner. Otherwise, you're just kind of wasting your money because that product needs to adhere to the rubber. It needs to stick onto there. And the more dirt and stuff that's on there, the less likely it is that that is going to have a long time holding onto the tire. Now, when you look at different tire dressings, tire coatings, there's a lot of different applications and things out there. You have to know the difference between a water-based dressing and a solvent-based dressing. A solvent-based is going to last you a lot longer, maybe a month or so, whereas a water-based dressing, if you go out and get it in the rain, it's not going to last that long. When you are applying tire dressings, the shinier you want it, let a coating dry, apply another one. Let a coating dry, apply another one. So it's great. You can knock it down. You can get them as bright as you want. So those are just my recommendations when you're using tire dressings or sealants or coatings. Just make sure you clean your tires really well. And a lot of the manufacturers will say, hey, you'll get this much time, you'll get this much time. It is really hard to predict that depending on your driving conditions, temperature, where you're driving, road conditions. There's so many factors that play into this, guys. So not every time you're gonna spray something on your tire, you're gonna get longevity out of it. All right, so this is the tire dressing or tire lotion from DIY Detail. And I used this on a customer's car this past week, and I was really impressed with it. I was impressed with it for one thing, actually a couple things. Number one, this is the best smelling tire dressing, tire lotion in the game. I'm big on smells. I just am. I think that's part of detailing. It's what makes it fun for me. Some of you might go, I don't care how something smells. I'm just gonna put it on my car, and that's totally fine. I like smells. Smells amazing. The second thing I noticed is that I applied way too much because typical dressings that I've used in the past, I have to apply a generous amount for it to actually go evenly around the tire. This is something that I'm going to demonstrate to you that you literally might only need 1 to 2 sprays per tire, if that. DIY Detail, what I love about them is it's just no gimmicks, no frills. They just make great products for the everyday detailer, everyday person, and they last a long time and they're high quality. And so what I want to share with you guys is just the ease of applying it. I have a tire here that I'll, show some clips, but I've cleaned it. If I wipe my hand across it, there's no browning. It is slick. There's no dressings on there. It is ready to be applied. And they say on here you can just apply it straight onto the tire. Spray directly onto clean, dry tires evenly, allow product to penetrate and wipe away excess. So I'm just gonna apply it to a little applicator because I don't wanna get it all over the wheels. All I'm gonna do is just spray one spray onto my applicator, and let's see how far this will last us. Okay, one spray, that's it. So what I was doing with this customer's car this week is I sprayed probably 3 to 4 on the applicator, and I drenched the tire, absolutely drenched the tire. Like, I had excess of it. So you guys can see here, it's going nice. So I'm gonna give it one more because I think I'm running out of a little bit. But literally, guys, we're talking 2 sprays. You are not gonna find another tire dressing out there that is you're gonna have to use so little product to get amazing results. And that's what I love about it. I don't think it's gonna be the longest lasting tire dressing I've ever used, but what I love about it is its ease of application. And a lot of tire dressings, you guys are gonna notice, are not in a spray form. They're in kind of the similar kind of like, soap containers where you just kind of squeeze it out, or it's like a really thick lotion. This is just a nice little spray. You guys can see there, 2 sprays around the tire. And that is what that tire looks like. It's gonna dry and you can apply more to it, but that's something that like blew me away because I did like 3 or 4 or 5 squirts, which is what normally I would put on an applicator. And I had a lot of excess moisture, a lot of excess product around there. And so I can't comment on the longevity. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video on how long this lasts on there. But I think you're gonna get, you know, anywhere from a week to 3 weeks out of this, just depending on the conditions that you drive in. And what I've noticed with a lot of people is people don't, I'm different. I like a tire dressing that's gonna last me a long time because I personally don't like cleaning wheels. I don't like cleaning tires. But a lot of people, they just want that OEM look, just kind of a nice little shine to it. They don't want a glazed donut, and they don't mind just applying this every time they wash it. That's what I've noticed that a lot of people like. It's not my cup of tea, but if that is what you guys are after, I know a lot of people use VRP from Chemical Guys. A lot of people use a lot of different tire dressings and conditioners. But this by DIY Detail, I mean, this bottle, it 2 sprays a tire. I mean, this thing would easily last. I can't even accurately forecast like how long this would last me. But DIY Detail, they made a product that, who knows, they might not make a lot of money on this because people are gonna buy 1 bottle and they're kind of like done with it. But I like that it's got a sprayer, very easy to apply, great smelling, and a little bit goes a long way. So if you guys wanna give this product a try, I highly recommend it. I wouldn't buy this as like the end all be all longest tire dressing, lasting tire dressing on the market. It could be, I don't know, I haven't tested it. But if you want something that smells good, that's a great experience, because that's what detailing is we want products that make detailing enjoyable, that make it fun, that make it easy, that don't cause extra work, that's just, you can throw on some tunes in the garage and be able to relax. And this is what DIY Detail tire dressing is about. So I'll leave a link in my description below. If you use the code on there, I think you guys can get 10% off, but give this a try. If you're someone that likes, you know, just kind of matte OEM look, very easy to apply, and a product that is gonna last you a long time, in terms of how much you're gonna go through, this is a product for you. I'm Austin with Condon 60 Detailing. If you guys use a different tire dressing, let me know what you like. I'll try to leave all the details of how much this costs, everything, so you guys can kind of weigh that out. But definitely was impressed by this, and I way over applied this the first time I used it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.